Each lift screen mat is specifically designed for the size and configuration of each manufacturer's boom lift basket model and comes with a 1-year workmanship warranty. The labeling on the lift screen mat consists of company information, part number, and warnings. The letters and numbers in the part number represent the following. LSM stands for Lift Screen Mat. B8 stands for Basket 8-foot. GNE represents the initials of the lift manufacturer, in this case Genie, and 21 represents the year the lift screen mat was manufactured. Check that the lift screen mat part number matches the model of lift that is being used. The warning label explains that visibility may be diminished when using this product. Prior to using the lift screen mat, all users must review the operations and safety video, the safety placard located in the product packaging, and the product approval letter. The operations and safety video can be viewed at www.cranetainersystem.com. Users can also directly access the lift screen mat operations and safety video using the QR code on the safety placard that comes in the product packaging. The approval letter that comes in the product packaging must always accompany the operator's manual in the weather-resistant storage compartment located on the boom lift. The approval letter is also available in printable form at www.cranetainersystem.com in the lift screen mat section. Before using the screen mat, check that there are no holes or cuts in the black mesh and that the accordion joints work properly. Make sure there are no rips, cuts, or tears in the foam that could cause a trip hazard. If there are any, the process for fixing them is covered later in this video. If the structural integrity is compromised, allowing objects to fall through, do not use the screen mat. Contact your supplier for repairs. Each lift screen mat is specifically designed for the size and foot pedal configuration of each lift manufacturer. When using the lift screen mat, be sure the labeling is facing up. The mesh-filled holes catch small objects and allow workers visibility underneath the machine when moving the basket. If greater visibility is necessary, workers can fold back the screen mat panels on either end to expose the basket floor. This can be done with one panel nearest the foot pedal and 2 panels on the other end. To install the screen mat, insert it through the mid and top rail with the foot pedal cutout facing the basket floor. Begin spreading the screen mat out towards the sides and then slide it down around the foot pedal until it lays flat on the floor of the lift basket. Although the high-density closed-cell foam is durable enough to allow workers to step on dropped materials, a cluttered floor creates a hazardous work environment. It is best to pick up dropped materials as soon as possible. This will ensure a safe work platform and extend the lifespan of the screen mat. Although the lift screen mat is fire retardant, when performing hot work, properly protect the lift screen mat and have a fire extinguisher on hand. Note, always follow all hot work permit requirements. To prevent cutting or other damage to the screen mat when transporting heavy or sharp objects, place a piece of cardboard, carpet, or wood underneath the object. This will also prevent damage to the screen mat if the object being lifted happens to rotate or twist during the lifting process. Use a general household degreasing cleaner to clean the screen mat. A brush and garden hose can be used for heavily soiled areas. If there are oil-based contaminants on the screen mat, paint thinner or other chemical degreasers can be used to clean the area. After using chemical degreasers, be sure to re-clean these areas with a general household cleaner. Be sure the screen mat is completely dry before storing. Do not use acetone as a chemical remover or cleaner as it will damage the lift screen mat. If the screen mat gets cut or torn, it can be easily repaired using general high-strength all-purpose glues. Pull back or spread out the opening, apply the glue, and press the foam back into place. If there are any seams or cracks on the surface, fill these with glue and smooth out the surface. Allow proper drying time before using the screen mat again. Do not leave the screen mat on the lift basket when not in use or during equipment transport. For further information or questions, contact Cranetainer System US.